Εντάξει.
Ya ben bunlar istiyorum.
Okay.
Yeah, you can sit here if you want to.
I tried to synthesize, to resume what impressed me in this formula. Epsilon plus epsilon is epsilon.
Yes.
This formula, even if contradicts the laws of mathematics, for me represents the idea of unity in diversity. I entitled this story the power of epsilon, the power of E from Europe.
Okay. Thank you.
Imagine, what's this? Okay, try to can be sheep, maybe.
Yeah.
I like eating chocolates. So, I draw a chocolates here, white chocolates and black chocolates. The sheep are carrying chocolates, by the way.
Okay. Lots of chocolate.
Yes, with a rainbow. Yeah. That's all.
What the rainbow symbolizes in your picture?
Symbolizing the differences between white chocolate and black chocolate. Differences of the people. It's connecting with this. It's connecting like a bridge,
Okay. Take your mask, please.
What's this?
This is a smiling rainbow.
Rainbow.
Okay.
Thank you.
Yeah, it's good and bad.
Yeah.
Yeah.
It represents whole
The
story.
Chinese symbol.
Yes, whole story. It says we are whole, without color or religion or nationality. We are whole. I, you, we. Yeah. All the colors is inside this figure. Yeah, that's simple. Okay. That's it.
Great.
Okay.
I've never thought about the concept of epsilon being a bridge that connects I and you. So to connect I and you, I really like that. We need a we.
Yes.
So I really like the story. That's what impressed me, and especially that every child is the same and the rainbow is in our hearts. So that's what I was trying to represent in my drawing.
Okay.
I really liked it.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Here is, you see, the white who draws rainbows all the time in the classroom.
Εδώ δείχνει τη διευθύντρια που φέρνει μέσα τη Σάρα, την τάξη
τάξη.
You see the head teacher who brings the new girl in the class.
Καλωσορίζει η λευκή τη Σάρα και της δείχνει το ουράνιο τόξο, της δίνει δώρο.
She white welcomes the new girl and gives her as a present the rainbow that she drew.
Εδώ τα αγόρια που κοροϊδεύουν τη διαφορά.
The boys who make comments about the differences.
Ωραία. Εδώ αναφέρονται στο σκοτάδι και το φως και κάνουν το πείραμα με το νερό. Δείχνει τις ακτίδες.
Here you see the references in the dark and the light, and also the experiment with the water and the rainbow that appears in the roof.
Εδώ βλέπουμε ότι έχει πολλά χρώματα του ουράνιου τόξου, ας το πούμε.
We see the many colors that the rainbow has.
Που ανακατεύει τα σκάλα της τέμπερες. Που ανακατεύει τα χρώματα, τέλος πάντων.
Okay.
Εδώ λέμε ότι το σκοτάδι, το άσπρο και το μαύρο, και ότι έτσι είναι και τα παιδιά, ότι υπάρχουν άσπρα και μελαμψά.
And here we see that there are always differences, but the differences are similar also.
Όπως είναι η άσπρη και η μαύρη σοκολάτα.
Like the sweetness of the white and the dark chocolate.
Εδώ μιλάμε για το έψιλο.
Now we talk about the letter epsilon.
Το οποίο λέει η λευκή ότι υπάρχουν αδέρφια λέξεις. Όπως εγώ, εσύ, εμείς.
That the white says there are three brothers words, the words I, you and us.
Στο τέλος αγκαλιάζονται.
At the end they hold hands.
Η δασκάλα χαίρεται με αυτό που βλέπει, που αγκαλιάζονται όλα τα παιδιά του χρώματος.
The teacher is happy for what she sees, holding hands together, everybody.
Αυτό είναι εγώ, εσύ, εμείς.
Okay, and
Και θέλουν να το κάνουν σύμβολο της τάξης.
they want to do as the letter epsilon a symbol of their classroom.
Λοιπόν, τώρα, ποιος? Λοιπόν,
Hello students, this is Sarah. Hello. She doesn't speak Greek, but she'll stay with us for the rest of the year. Okay. Now,
Exactly. You can speak and say,
now, Sarah, you can sit next to
Sarah.
White.
To white, yes. The present.
I know rainbow from you. Thank you. It's present.
Now you comment about the chocolate.
Okay.
Dark.
Talk and then director come and say.
You have to comment. You are very good. It's beautiful. It's very kind of color or skin, maybe. I have to say something because I don't know.
No, don't speak Greek. You don't speak Greek. You can laugh. It's a different right and just now, director, the children say it's not.
don't you mind.
Sarah, you like white chocolate? White chocolate? Oh no, black chocolate. Maybe pizza.
There are no differences between white and black. Because white, I think.
I'm
Yeah.
Okay, I got it. Όχι. Όχι. Μπράβο.
Slow. Slow. Now faster. Now faster. Faster, faster, faster. Faster. Stop. Okay. Sit down.
All the four countries. Yeah. You see?
Εδώ είναι κάποια από Μακεδονία και κάποια από Τουρκία. Εδώ.
Our country is in fish shape.
Κάνανε τα χέρια, η Ένωση και τη γη στη μέση. Όλοι είμαστε το ίδιο, ωραία.
Δεν είμαστε εδώ ακόμα, δεν έχουν τέτοιο.
Όχι ρε, όλοι είμαστε το ίδιο, ενώ το μήνυμα. Είμαστε, όχι, πολύ δημιουργικό, βάζεις εδώ. Οι άλλοι τάξη μήνα στο εδώ, εντάξει δεν μας πειράζει, είμαστε πολύ καλοί. Κάνουν τις χώρες.
Ναι, κάνουν τις χώρες. Ναι.
Ωραία.
4. Εγώ δεν θα κάνω.
Let's follow this design.
Can I take blue?
Wow.
Excellent.
Okay.
Well done.
Something like this. Greece. Greece.
Gemi gibi o zaman. Neyle başlıyoruz sonra?
Slavi povečer. Gördünüz hocam, anlatmaya gerek yok. Yani biraz çizmekle olmuyor bu işler hocam.
Let's see. Try to do some balls, small dog, smile.
Baby rabbit. Kesinlikle kedi yapın ya.
En güzel bizimki.
En güzel de ayıp ya, gelin.
Şey yap.
More white. More white. İnşallah kimse videoyu almıyordur bizi. Stay. Right.
Güneş mi çiz dedi bana bir sor. Güneş mi? Sun? Sun? Do you want the
Personally, maybe we got political, but that wasn't our intention. We wanted to present the unity of
We'll see.
and four
We'll
countries,
see.
and to say that although we are different and we have many differences, we're still together.
Okay,
Ότι είμαστε
very good.
ιστορία.
We have here a strange story, you know. It's happening in one school, which name is Hellas Private School. Could be any other school. And we have here a rainbow, a big rainbow, and two kids who play with this slide rainbow. And this is the tree. This is something which belongs to this place. This is a playground, and these two kids talk one to another one. Look to this. These two girls is different, and this one is strange. It's not good to play together because the one could be with some disease, could have COVID or something like this. So look to this and keep distance from this kind of play. If it's important to stay in distance, we'll be healthy and we'll be good. So let's stay together, but not involved with this kind of activity. You know, this is the world. Keep distance. Don't play with the others and stay separate, and we'll be good. But this kind of kids, it's not in the right situation for us. But this kind of kids exist, you know, in our school. So we must know to understand different position, different situation from our school.
Okay,
Thank you for
thank you. Thank you very much.
As a group, we try to give a clear message, a short message to the world. Our hands from different genders, different nationalities, from different religions, it symbolizes different cultures also. If we put our hands together, hand in hand, the world would be a more beautiful place for everybody, for every religion, or for every nationality, every gender. That's all from us.
Okay, thank you.